Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. Where again is another hilarious one. This comedy compilation video you're about to watch is the latest, the newest among Nigerian comedy videos. Yes, you just have to watch it from beginning to the end. I took my time to compile it for you and all our new comedy. Have a wonderful time as you enjoy this comedy. Let's dive into this comedy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let's go.
Madam, what is it? Can this Lagos smelling meal? Can't you see? I'm engaged.
Where do you want this one? Who is this one?
Are you playing? This is playing.
Girl never engaged.
Kasongo mbona wewe
Kama beenda.
songa libara oh yeah
Exactly what I would do myself. Pick it and use it gently without taking any ears here. My guy go bet. You know all these girls sometimes they think they are wise and they are not wise. Only somebody doesn't even know what you want to tell them. The next thing, I'm engaged. We have not seen anyone that has engaged before. That have engaged before, So I think Sinitoka, iwundu, yeah. So making everybody learn their lesson. Una guess. So guys, I think we're gonna dive. Let's keep watching as we dive deep into more of this. My chair, one for. This chair has been giving me some kind of problem, sharp.
You think it's a joke?
Excuse me, madam, please. Before you eat, you need to make payment. Actually, my workers are busy, so I had to call myself.
Are you okay? Can't you wait for me to finish eating before you ask for payments?
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry. Enjoy your meal, ma. I hope you enjoy your meal, ma.
Yes, I do.
So now it's time for payment. So are you doing transfer or cash?
We are online.
Madam, sorry, yours.
What is it? I don't have my cash on me.
You see?
I don't have cash on me.
Okay, we do accept transfer, madam. So you can send to our OP.
And I didn't bring my phone.
You don't want?
Can you wait for me to go home and bring my phone?
You dey craze?
Please let me just get my phone from home and try and make it transfer.
Did you eat this rice home? Madam, if you cannot do payment, please to the
Please
kitchen.
just wait for me.
I will slap the second to the kitchen. Fast! They're good to slap people. They know how to do payment. They crazy.
Wait a minute.
They go. What are you?
I don't want trouble.
Aman is telling her that. Are you sure this guy didn't steal my money?
It's not like I don't want to spend the night. I just have PTSD for rumpled bed.
My guy maintaining everywhere and it's not like this, so very dirty, but because of woman, I even ironing the bed.
But I don't have no sleepwear.
Everything, there are everything for you.
Because my babe.
When the guy is ready for a woman, he provides everything.
One more thing. I don't like people that snore. Like, I literally cannot stay on the same bed with people that snore.
Oh, Jesus.
You snore. I can't sleep here.
okay as I know wetin go happen I no go sleep you get I go just there awake make I no go sleep
problem,
I go just dey look your beauty
Screaming beauty, beauty, beauty. My girlie body no be newty. She's bad
You
at
know, like only
neighbor how far now
They don't bring light too.
and I like to be this now
But your gen they on.
is this out loud this snoring?
my guy nobody no be gen no second thank you
That a neighbor's even coming to check if Nasboi on his gen.
good morning how was your night
Night care. You didn't let me sleep all through the night. You were just snoring.
I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face.
thank God for CCTV
But they show you video evidence.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
That's not me. That's AI.
He did mad.
if a kukuma put in for the end
AI.
African Independent Television.
Abby, that's the best.
Yesterday I no chop post in my neck as you don't go. Money no day and it's so fast in my head as you flat to Sapa.
I don't know that you are behaving like Sako person. He said he's a Romeo without Juliet.
You're the cleaner? Okay, you can start from my room over there. I'm coming, let me get something.
Come on, buddy. I got no smiling.
Guys like this.
Hi.
Savvy bear. Pada.
What are you leaving? Are you done?
Hey.
Very good for you.
Guy, how far? What did you worry now? Why you come out? You don't see my baby there now. I don't know now. If you tell me now. What if you don't know? That's why you take the spoil mood. The spoil mood, and she don't do that thing. But make her just enter peace. I beg, come back. You don't see the peace. I beg.
Why are you in a hurry? Why are you
That's how I
in
die.
a hurry?
Solo.
The peace will be not for you. Make peace and go peace and forever.
I don't understand what they find my checkpoints.
Are also humans.
They don't push me come up for school again the third time. Nobody for us, only they came everybody for us. We never took anything. I said they do police. But I what they do with this police? Go for another walk.
What about you? Are you not going to us? Nonsense, idiot. Vagabond. I hate people who like pressure someone, who love pressuring people.
Look, man, you see anything? No, sir. You see anything from my hand?
The question why they ask myself now, how we go take makeup for this world?
You go.
Officer, man.
Don't set everywhere Maramana. Everywhere don't set. We have achieved, we have made it in this police force. I tell you, say we will make up. Edika has seen where he will get his money.
50 grams. Oh, your car. Blessing for you. You don't dare.
All the pressure on him is being resolved now, I think.
But you know, say you don't die, Sha.
Officer, I won't
I just hope they don't copyright this song. Like I don't have any option than to leave it to play.
Good afternoon.
Madam, good afternoon. No.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, fine girl.
Hope there is no problem.
There's no problem at all. I actually came bearing gifts.
See money!
I will be this one.
You start collecting money from strangers. Do you even know what she wants?
You know how much is that?
If I change them to naira, start to spend them now, what would they make? So December I never finish them.
Give me.
Madam, thank you very much. Eh? But madam, I don't have to say anything. No. Is there anything you want to buy from me?
I didn't come here to buy anything. I saw a beautiful flower in your garden and I'm here to pluck it.
Ha! Hope it's not what I'm thinking.
It's what I'm thinking.
You know it's been long mommy died. Oh, that's finally found it.
Voila.
Madam, we have 2 flowers in this garden. Which flower are you here to pluck?
I'm actually here for your daughter.
You see now, you have finally made me proud. Come on, Lisa. My container. Madam, please, which of your sons want to marry my daughter?
I don't have any sons, though. I'm here to marry your daughter.
I don't understand. You want to marry her how?
Actually, I do, girls.
Hey! Madam, stay away from me. Hey! Come down. I'm hot. Come down. I get hot.
Madam, please, just lose your money first.
No. I don't take bad gifts. I've given it to you. It's a gift.
You? Hey, Ada.
Daddy.
Please, hold this money for me first. Madam, my bad, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to offer you orgy, like a cola nut. Let me go and get you orgy.
So nice of you.
Our wife to be. Let me get something inside.
Are you sure this man is...
Madam, you have to leave this place. You have to leave. My daddy is not going to bring any cola nuts for you. You have to leave. No. That's how they do in tradition. You offer your visitors.
Okay.
Cola nuts.
So what that knows and that's
no problem. Stay.
No, come and marry. Queen mother.
God of Nazareth.
Ada, where's the money that I gave you?
She collected it back.
She collected the money.
They no be fine now.
Ada, come.
Why?
Come now.
Daddy.
I don't blame you. I blame myself. You know.
Go to the one foul.
All right, the both of you, father and daughter, criminals. Well, I think I'm beginning to enjoy this one, guys. Let's see. Poshotili on this one.
Good afternoon. Are you the cook? Yes.
Poshotili the cook. Great cook, the food can sweet.
We not really send you for
You're a cook and you're just like this? Yes, ma'am. Just burn my internal fat for a few seconds, ma'am. Okay. I'm a chef, ma'am. Who is a chef? A chef is a woman of our words. A food is a substance whereby a combination of properties are meant together to make it. Fine. Just go to the kitchen and cook me something. If not for me, where will the basis be today? I trained her, I coached her, I lectured her to become who she is and who she was not supposed to be. Thank God for that. Just go and cook me something. Okay. We have 7 types of food. We have the hydrogen, the protein, the carbon dioxide, the oxygen, and the nitrogen.
Is that what we are here?
Hey, wait, excuse me. What are you doing with the tape? The tape is for the measuring the equipment that we use in cooking. Measuring of water, measuring of the maggi, measuring of the salt, measuring of things. Without the tape, you cannot know the sufficient and efficient of the food, of the meal. Thank you. Just go. Thank you.
And you actually give her the job.
What's going on here? Is that what you're eating?
She's in our play.
God have mercy upon us.
And you need to take away. Madam, you know now white person they work now in the shop. Now when they call our workshop.
You don't want?
No, you're a black cook. Let's see this one from Wonder the South Nduka.
Madam, so you don't give me meat of 150?
Okay. You be like say you know this country. You know say this period now who don't meet up for life? They chop meat.
One man.
One man statement to that poor man. Child.
Hope they enjoy the food though.
Yeah, strong, madam.
Enjoying it.
Okay.
Where's Nduka? I can't wait to see you. I don't know if you're going to come to Casa.
I'm bad. Rice.
Rice now 1.5.
Okay, who can nonsense with this now? Why could they still inside my food? Who can nonsense with this now? You won't put me for talk? Hey!
What's going on here?
What do you want to do? I want chop. You want to eat the food that someone with obvious health challenges sneezed into? Do you know the bacterial composition? Do you know the virus composition? Do you know the streptococcus composition of his sneeze? Are you aware that sneezing directly into somebody's food or face can cause the person pneumonia, can cause the person common cold, can cause the person other related infections? Don't try that.
Let's have it.
Hey, doctor. Where they carry the food go now?
I'm taking this food to the lab. I need to study it and know what this man is going through. Thank you. Madam. So basically they use that your OP. No problem. I'm mad they go. I go transfer your money, give you later.
Just like that.
But can you safe if you know where? They go hospital now. You can't they call mama put. Which kind of wahala be this?
Jesus.
I just say this thing will work. I swear, try you. Those people grammar where they speak, they believe you. You don't think I'm not figures. Mo do quick, mo go the next place. No one.
Thank you.
Yeah, full suit today.
They don't want you with me no sit. I not be credit today, but he said go me.
Oh.
Now I don't know.
So I credit to you, but calm down.
Let's start what we have come into the room to do.
Madam. How much they say rice?
Now 1,000.
1, 2, 3.
Young man, what's the meaning of this now? Channel your sneeze to that adjacent axis now, please.
This man like adjacent. Adjacent axis.
Oh, Jesus.
What's this one now? Please now. Allow me eat now. Hey, no. What are you trying to do? You want to eat the food that somebody has obviously sneezed into? What is wrong with you? Are you aware that directly sneezing into somebody's face or a food can cause you RSV, respiratory syncytial virus? It can cause you meningococcal disease. It can lead to influenza. If allow you, you will eat it. God forbid. Over my doctorate certificate, will allow you harm yourself. No.
Oh, the struggle.
I've thrown it away. I've thrown away. It's away.
Stop it. I'm taking it to the lab.
Why grown up man like you would they behave like gorilla?
You can see what you've done now. Madam, how much is your money?
Just 1,000. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oga, go treat yourself, man.
Nduka, I said, I go bring spoon and finish the food.
Since we go bring spoon, we go bring spoon. Why go wait till tomorrow morning?
Jesus!
When you go reach your turn again. Wait up, Butora. And this is our neighbor. They just close more hospital and conquer saying poison himself. On a just an jollof.
Don't buy. The God that saved you.
Tommy, hold your phone. I want my phone. Tommy, if you call my mama, don't worry, when I go here for news. Tommy, please, just let my mom know.
They're very weekend.
Tommy, come. Tommy, never go. Call my mama. Tommy, come.
It's over. Did I hear Tommy just said you did very wicked? Instead of to thank him of his bad habits for eating alone without waiting for you, you are saying you did very wicked. He just saved you.
Hey, look at this guy. What are you doing here? I can't dry clean my work clothes. I don't be late for work, save. Wait, Laddie, you never make up. Back then in our lifestyle, he was the one advising me, Alex, leave fraud, don't do fraud. I just look at this one. I followed a hard bite before. I forget like that. Jesus. Do you know in Lagos here, I have more than 16 boys working for me alone. In whole Nigeria, I have more than 74 boys, and all of them they are driving Benz. You need money, Look at this one. Do you have a car? If I slap you. Hey! They advise me.
I'm going through a lot this period.
Your money is 10,000 for the express.
10,000. You want stress for my begin? Oh, Jesus. Oh, the struggle. I will sort it out. But the problem is, I don't have Naira. I only operate on Bitcoin.
Don't worry, our big customer, they trade with BU exchange, so you can trade with them. They are very fast and reliable.
BU exchange. You're fast though. So this is my bag. You just take them inside and wash it for me too, eh? My brother, come and drop you now. Wait, now I wear my work clothes. Don't keep me waiting, eh?
Okay, come on, they go pass this way for that password before they go now.
Forget those boys. We don't get boys here already. So do you want to drop me, Abi? No, wala. I will drop you. Move go office.
How are you going to start begging you because you've already mocked into stupor? No, now. That is why it's important.
You guys should hit this guy harder. Hit him harder.
Stop looking down.
Because if I lay my hands on him...
But Oga, what did he do?
Can you imagine? Peruvian hair that I bought for my pregnant girlfriend to surprise her. This young man came to my car and stole it.
Oga, you want to see this meeting? You know the entire way. I go like move pour the fire. Let's burn him.
No, it has not gotten to that. Let me confirm from my girlfriend.
Okay, confirm.
He will be in the best position to decide his fate. Pray. The hair is so expensive. He stole his hair.
Oh, the struggle.
Hello, babe.
Yeah, hey, babe.
Do you know the hair I promised to get you?
Yes.
I wanted to surprise you with it, and guess what? A riffraff came to my car and stole it. I caught him.
Where are you?
I'm just along the street, close to the house, there, near that blue house.
Okay, I'm already at the street. I'm coming.
Oh, yeah. Oh, please. Come, just come. Whatever you say, that's what they will do to him. Just come, please.
My hair.
Repeat our first.
Like, warm it up before she comes.
Babe.
Oh, okay. Look at the riffraff now.
Women, bro.
And stop talking like this now. It hasn't gotten to this now.
I don't want to hear anything from you. All my friends have different kind of hair. I can't even afford one. Why? Look at my hair. Am I not a fine girl? Look, if you cannot afford me the hair, you forget it. Don't even call my number again. See, don't call my number again. Say, don't touch me.
Ordinary hair.
I guess.
Nothing I will lose my girlfriend because of hair.
One of their kidney.
Why didn't you arrest this man?
Now your girlfriend.
That's my jewel of inestimable value.
She carry belly for you.
She's pregnant for me. She's carrying my child. She's 2 months gone.
Ah! My girlfriend make me go thief hair. Jesus! I tell her to do a woman every year.
So you got thief hair because of woman? Ibiopo.
Babe, please, let's go inside.
My car is over there.
Let's go.
So that's a woman every year.
So.
My God.
The woman you trusted the most has dealt with you, and you are crying at I know the last comment of a fool. I told you before. Let's go and see the next one. Please, if you've not liked this comedy, better do so. Pause it, go back, like it, comment, and continue watching from where you stopped. Let's go.
Amos!
I found my bro!
Sure, beg.
Bro, what's up?
I don't do this estate, sis. Now you just come this estate. You won't knock all the girls on this estate finish. You don't feel like they're finished, you know.
Bro, they are feeling the ball. Let them feel it. What's up?
They are feeling the ball. You know, see this girl. I'm waiting for the stay for this estate.
That one no consign me now. She will feel the ball. Me too go feel her too.
No, Alan, everywhere good. They are feeling you, Abby.
They are feeling the boy. She's feeling the ball.
Did I get boyfriend with this now?
Shit! The goat. This time around, you have to run faster than the car. Ha ha ha. I see.
Pablo! Hey! Our boyfriend is coming. I know.
Babe, what are you doing now?
Flag boy.
I just said to wait for you outside today.
Waiting for me since when?
Just today.
You know you're not supposed to be under the sun. Oh yeah, now let's go inside. I'm going, I'm watching you.
All this Lagos road, eh? Jesus.
What? God in heaven. Waiting 1/10 cups in Aikbayam. I have to silence this background music because I don't want a copyright claim. Good
afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
This is the worst.
Ma, this is the guy I told you about. You can do the work very, very well.
Don't worry.
Okay, good afternoon. So please, I'm a very busy person. I own a lot of businesses. So what I need you to do every morning, you look at my schedule and then you need to tell me at what time, where I need to be, with who, and it's very, very important that you'll be my reminder. Okay? So is it okay with you?
Yes, please.
So please, what did I just say?
Hey! What's going on here?
Madam, please, can you remind me again?
Jesus! Jesus!
Sharp, before minutes start to come. Agricultural application, I collect. Health education, I collect. Pipe-borne water, I collect. So serious, so. Road education, I collect. Road, yes now. This road again. Last year you took road. This year road. What is where are your community going to work on?
You won't go. No this pipe-borne water we collect last year. Wait till you want make your people drink.
Wow, governor and minister, what's going on here?
As you can see, we are just sharing public funds.
Oh, I thought it's something criminal.
No, not at all.
It's not criminal.
Just a normal embezzlement. I got an information that there's illegal activity somewhere. You know, but
they're smoking.
anything for the boys.
But of course, you can keep the security allocation as usual.
Yeah. Boys, what's the?
All right, so
This is the useless man that has been embezzling our money. When I go to say I don't work again.
Put him in room 455,000.
Why are you taking me?
To our office.
What did he do now? What did he do?
But for now, we don't know. But we'll figure things out. Give us a moment. Better creative. We'll create one or two and put on his head. Hey, why your country? Hello. You cook? Wait a minute.
Exactly what VDM is actually facing right now in the EFCC cell.
What happened?
I have a problem.
Hey, point of correction. We. Now correct yourself.
Love, what the thing?
What's the problem?
It's love. Let's have it.
Jehovah Jesus!
You are who?
You are my spirit.
Doctor, what is going on here? Who is she?
She's my girlfriend. Precious. Meet Lopez, my girlfriend. Lopez, meet Precious, my girlfriend.
Who am I to you, Pluto?
You know what I talk before. You're my girlfriend.
So you are cheating on me with her?
I know they cheat on you. Waiting me this for my neck.
Bitch.
I be traditional man. If I can marry more than one wife, I can get more than one girlfriend. If you don't say enough is stay, you move.
You stay. Ha! I cannot stay.
You know what? I ain't having a party.
Let me pack my things and leave.
So you want to stay?
Yes.
No son, no innocent too. I get two face.
We got to the point now.
She goes still stay, so far she's benefiting significantly.
Who is this one?
You guys, please wait. Leave her alone. Let me talk to her. She needs me right now. She needs her boyfriend right now.
Hey, fool.
What is this?
So the two of you are blind, like you cannot see, and you pull your eyeglass off. So the man will just be going my own. I won't even turn back to see whether you have killed each other.
I didn't even bother to call me.
Relax. I knew you were in your period. I know when your period starts and when it ends.
But you don't know when you need money. If I no break up from that relationship, idiot.
This guy now.
Oh, hey, why did you there now? Why wasting time now? You've been there for almost 1 hour.
This one you put in on red, transparent, net. I said it.
I beg, only you to go. I'm not going anywhere with you.
Are you whining yourself?
So you're wearing. I don't understand. I sell the market outside.
Babe, sorry now. Come and change.
You come and change that outfit, Abi? Okay.
Who swear for this video?
I gotta change your outfit. Can't change.
This boy and this guy.
Show that is everywhere. Everywhere wearing net cloth. Everywhere showing boa.
My God will judge you.
May judge me.
You.
I'm not going again. Go on your own.
I'm good at carrying girls.
If you try that rubbish,
They cannot hear it. They can't, never. Sabinus
Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh yeah. Kasongo mbona wewe. Mbona wewe. Mobali nanga.
I was in back I would not drove. Like I wouldn't have driven away. No. I will wait and catch Sabinus for that masquerade.
what did I do?
Will you shut up your dirty mouth? You get mad and pretend say you don't know what you do. Now we dey pay your children for their school fees. Now me sponsor your senior brother go abroad. You still get mad cheat on me.
Babe, at least let me explain myself. It's not what you think.
I don't need any explanation. Get out!
Thank God, this relationship don't even tire me. Time for me to go meet Alhaji wey promise me 1 billion for 1 round. Jesus!
1 billion?
Jesus!
Oh baby! What's up, babe? Close door for me, Joe! Close door!
Idiot. Come and sit the confessing down there.
Guy go give the chief immediately for 1 billion. Imagine your guy collect your man for your hand. Oh my God! Let's see. I think this one is MC Currency.
Mama Chakwa, I see Chakwa for hotel with girl.
Chakwa my pikin.
Chakwa, I see him for hotel with Uma.
Jesus.
I feel shock like this, now so I take shock.
Which hotel be that?
Espanyol hotel for here. Espanyol hotel for here. I just make I can't tell you.
Thank you. God bless you. They go there now.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Not lie.
So
So check what not true.
Mommy, what you do for you?
Come on, I suppose they ask you what they do for you too. Okay. What do you they do for you?
God help me now that day.
So any small money you get, they carry woman up and down, they carry come hotel.
Won't be camp, no be so, no put you with thing.
Money where you never spend for house.
Mommy, no be so.
Don't worry, I'm gonna report you to your papa.
Mommy, what you
You and your papa go settle this issue.
Mommy, I beg, not daddy. Mommy, I beg.
What's going on here?
So, I be the year shout outside when I be there inside.
Daddy, when you be inside, mommy come here.
My wife come here.
She come. She don't say, if I reach out, she go report me to you.
See, no worry, my son. When we reach out, I will shout for you. You said, go as if the team pay you,
Yeah, I go do like that. Yes.
Just don't worry, I did it too. Go inside, go do your thing.
Yeah, now my turn now. Daddy.
My son.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Protection.
Like father, like son. Takwa.
Man, this is a nice smart pass. Chop for night, clean mouth in the afternoon, begin the night. Better God go hot boss punish them anywhere they do.
Amen.
Mr. Bloomy, you say me call. Tell you say mo go thief your mouth. You tell Yawa tire.
You didn't want you to talk. So hey, Martin, they say akara. You get sense so.
No me. This man with this man I didn't try to do. Who says I'll be fear?
This man I didn't try. Come on for here and every day you dey fear.
Hey. My mommy they call me.
My children, my cup are dirty. I found out something I can help me sweep one.
This is part where stingy.
If I calm down now, maybe the pan no go hear you. By the way, say if you don't see any money pick for grants, come on go also. You know the shame.
When I come now.
I'm a wicked man.
Somebody said this man is a
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna sit down for your mega big bro. Come.
Okay. Somebody just called him a ritualist and they are still insisting to work with him.
Side eye.
If this small thing your face now, your enter market go buy Motorola.
Motorola you want that? If it's more to you enter, I make the offer buy. I'll buy all this tire again. I'll keep this one.
Yosha.
What's going on here?
Jesus.
If I beg you, you not let me want the bone.
Even me too.
I beg, if I don't use me.
I go manage you.
I beg.
He's gone. He's
How
gone.
can you
He's
manage
gone.
somebody that
I don't know. Yawa,
I
watch
already
out.
used Belebeten. Let's go, guys. Let's see this one from Belebeten. I know somebody said that I should be adding Belebeten's comedy to my compilation. So, if you're that
Madam,
let me see.
how much the money?
I
20,000.
20,000. Which bank?
Get back.
Madam, I don't buy again.
Hey! Oga, go what's up?
I don't buy again.
Oga.
PDM has done a lot of damages to this bank, and the bank has came out with their statement that
do again,
they don't have any
thorough cleaning now. You don't do normal sprinkling of water.
Hey, you go yesterday.
Well, let's see.
Be this one,
Let's this one.
What I want to do for you?
Bishop, now be finalization now.
I don't like what I want to do. Okay, see what you want to do.
I want finalize the work while you do.
Okay, okay.
You don't do the olive oil.
Yes.
You don't do the red candle.
Yes.
You don't eat the
SK pastor.
You don't sleep on top of that tortoise.
Yes.
Huh? Now water na remain water.
Hey, water, you call water. What I want to do with water? I want to
make a baptize you.
I want to take this water.
Come on,
Bishop, I don't do this thing now.
I go slap your mouth. I slap your face. They chat for me.
Bishop, see, go refund money.
I want to come on from us. You feel not get what to do for us.
Bishop, you go refund money.
When you
I
come
don't
and
do
place
this
this
thing.
money, you don't see people from there. I better enter the water.
If I just say this water like this, the disease will go enter my body, go pass me. This my body safe.
You clean past me because you wear white shirt. They crazy. You clean past me because you wear
I
white
don't know
shirt.
if they stay. I know if I stay.
No way. If you don't enter the water later now.
Bishop, you go refund money. You. I don't agree. You.
If I refund the money,
you go refund money. You.
If I refund the money, make I
money.
two.
You. I go
for inside this place just now. You don't already do the work. You don't. Don't like listen to person. You have to take the 5 money, not the
that money that
hey, shut up your mouth.
I give money for food package. Don't be food package I give you. Don't be go come on everything for me.
My brother, don't be me go do this one for you. The other ones I don't do them. The spiritual wife, I don't go meet the spiritual wife where they do them. The spiritual wife where they do them, I don't go meet the that I don't go do them for spiritual welfare. This one now, what you go do? Water fortification. I don't do normal sprinkling of water. That sprinkling of water no be baptism. That one na water I spray for your body.
But I got baptized before.
That one you baptized for your church. That time when you take baptized for your church. That na baptism better they tell you. That your pastor will not get power. If they say your pastor no work, you no go suffer. Now me when you come meet. If you no come meet, you no collect anything.
Is this how bishops behave?
You know, enter the water.
I don't go enter.
No problem. But you're not near me.
You go, I'm Bishop, can't give my money.
Go blow your mouth.
You don't give my money.
God, Bishop.
You ask all over the world, you're not ready to do the work.
Oh, yeah,
Later.
yeah, go down.
Who the work you? Put your things.
Hope say after this one, don't finish.
Put your things.
Hope say the final one be this one. Because me, I don't want yes to you.
Put your things. You don't bath today before?
I don't bath, yes.
Put your things, make you enter the water. Anytime somebody they wait for me, I come and go buy the other things.
One man again.
Hey! Wait. I found this phone under your pillow. Who does it belong to?
Oh shit! This yeah, babe. It's a new phone that I was planning on giving it to you on your birthday.
Now you got me the Itel A70 recently. Why would you get me another phone?
Babe, this is the Itel A90. See, this one is new. This one it has it is waterproof. It is soundproof. Hey! If I take you to Dubai on your birthday and it falls in the desert scramble, nothing will happen. If I take you to the poolside and it falls in the water, nothing will happen. See, this one it has 12 gigabytes RAM and 128 RAM. So you can take plenty videos. And it's just 1,099 Ghana cedi.
Babe, next time if you want to surprise me, learn how to hide it first.
You gotta trust man. Hand down.
Babe, your phone is ringing.
Don't pick it. Don't worry.
Oh, don't worry. It's just the carpenter. I can pick it and put it on loudspeaker.
Don't pick it.
Carpenter.
My love, you promised to bring me the new Itel A90 today. Where are you?
God,
Carpenter. This guy wicked. Na carpenter na him.
Tomorrow you go pino, and I go pin down. May your mind touch. Your mind go touch the arm.
I know.
It be family. I go lie for you.
Never to family.
You see, I brought my mama say, in this life, everything comes in twos. Yes, nah. So we have God and we have devil. We have a man and we have a woman. We have winch and we have wizard. Now we have EFCC and we have GTB. I go lie for you.
Never to family.
You see, that is why a EFCC arrest a VDM when he went to a GTB after complaining that they are looting from a senior citizen, his mommy. Yes, so as he went there, he was trying to communicate with the GTB, but it seems like GTB was capping with EFCC. What does that tell you? It is either you're communicating or you're communicating. I go lie for you.
Never to family.
You see, but the EFCC came heavily armed to arrest the unarmed citizen. I heard they even came with blindfolds. EFCC. Was that blindfold for VDM or it was for BDSM?
No, it's not for VDM, it's for BDSM. Romeo, you are a case. Hey! You are a big case, big one, very big one. Look at this one. Look at animal. Forget so soon.
You are with the rider. Just the right turn. Tell the rider to bring you right turn. You see a ash building. Yes, I'm just the ash building. Just stop over there, okay?
This one is also woman matawulamo, nothing else. Woman payam. No, this is not his type. Now be big back, big life. This is not his type. Well, I don't date.
Is it you? It's not me.
It's you.
It's not me.
It's you. It's you. It's you.
Look at that one saying it's you.
Get money or not?
Yeah. Papa.
No vessel. Alpha, you don't carry the money. I don't want to stop them. Did they do mommy and daddy's time? Like I will go to for you.
Your head not correct.
That time you go up.
Jesus.
Among the two of you now.
Who authorized this robbery?
You?
They swear for you. Nobody authorized the robbery. What is that?
Don't let anybody do. You know you go wound.
I'll move.
Oga, what
I swear to God, I'm not doing anything.
Shut up, you're not smart. The place. You see if I go one way back from you.
Excuse me. I want to. Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
What? You slapped me?
Yeah, I know. With dolarz.
And so what? Are you stupid? You think if I invest every month your money? Next time, don't do that again.
I will swallow my pride and pick the hell out of the money. I will pick and pick and pick and pick and pick and pick and pick until the money finishes on the ground. Thank you guys for sticking around up to this moment, and we want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching this comedy, and I believe you enjoy this comedy. This comedy that you just watched is a compilation, is a new compilation episode for you guys. New, very new, the latest of all comedy right now in Nigeria as I speak. So guys, what is your favorite moment? And I believe you enjoy this comedy compilation video. Please try to like my video, try to comment, try to engage with my content. If you know you enjoy this content, and if there's any moment you find hilarious, state it. Just feel free to comment, feel free to like, feel free to interact, you know, with my content. Alright guys, what is your favorite moment? Like, we're going to dive into some favorite scene in this comedy. You know, on our last episode we didn't talk about anything, you know, we didn't talk about anything, but right now we have to talk about this, especially Nasboi. Chai, this Nasboi comedy is actually hilarious, and it tells that most women can pretend to be who they are not. How can a lady tell a man that she cannot sleep on a dirty bed, which is very acceptable, and the man actually did the right thing, clean up everywhere, even went ahead as far as to iron the bed to make it smooth, and the girl still say that she cannot sleep in the same room with that guy because she's afraid of being disturbed with and at the end of the day now she wanted to what you converse me now, you disturb yourself, now you can't talk, say your night no dey fine because the boy they disturb you with snoring. How? If not for the help of that CCTV, oh. Tell me who would have vindicated Nasboi? CCTV exonerate him from this heavy trap this girl almost sets. You see how girls behave. Most of them are the snort pass, and that thing that they do when they don't like, they don't feel stop them. They always they check if that kind of thing. They go to say that kind of bit they among people because they find it among themselves and they cannot even stop it. So most of them are like that. You see poor girls always hating on poor boys. Why? You are poor. You guys should be best of the same feathers, but not in this case. And thaedoboy has been doing a successful, you know, rescue mission. He has been embarking on successful rescue mission. But at the end of this comedy, this one he embarked on was a very risky one, and it ended up taking the life of his friend. You self will be the friend. How you will go there on that motor? And you know say the motor no be your own. The motor no be a thaedoboy, you went under it. And now the owner, there's no way the police can arrest the owner. Even they arrest him just for a short period of time to just, you know, investigate the thing, because he don't know how can you be under a car. So, and the car now don't buy you. I think this is the worst rescue mission a thaedoboy has ever involved in. Yes, worst. So what is your take? What is your take on that comedy? Like, there are so many funny comedies, so if I'm missing anyone, you just have to state it and state where you're watching from. If you're watching from Kenya, you're watching from Ghana, you're watching from Nigeria, you're watching from South Africa, you're watching from Germany, you're watching from Italy, you're watching from Spain, you're watching from, you know, anywhere. State it in the comment box, you know, so that I will know, like, I will know the kind of content I will be adding to this compilation, because I'll be getting clue where my audience are watching me from. You know what I mean? So that is it, and I believe you enjoyed this comedy once again. You really enjoy it. Really enjoy it, and I know. So let's talk about this particular one here. Nduka, because of food, and I can't play all this kind of thing, and now you just buy because of food. And the other guy said, the other guy was even angry, saying that he no blame Nduka. Somebody that used long throat to finish food that's supposed to kill both of you. Instead of you to be praising him, thanking him, you are still angry. So if that guy had given you that food after you knowing that there was poison in the food, you would have eaten that food, Abby. This long throat, I'm gonna let them buy you. It's not fair. Thank you guys. Thank you. I think this is the end of our review. Hope for another comedy, another banger coming your way. Have a wonderful time. I'm rolling out. Peace out.